Tonight on Fox 10 Investigates, a Phoenix counseling facility is under investigation by the state health department.
Mindvalley Behavioral Health Center also has ties to multiple evictions from homes used for unlicensed sober living. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum digs deeper as former employees say that vulnerable people are being shuffled from home to home.
Last night, we told you about James DeMasi and Thomas Sweets and how this facility was not licensed to provide health care. Tonight, we introduce you to DeMasi's ex-wife, who, according to court records, doesn't pay up to landlords, and it's what the homes were being used for that's raised concerns. We've entered a Glendale neighborhood near North 51st and Orangewood Avenues. There's a home I'm curious about due to an eviction filing, and the people living here don't seem to know about it until I tell them. The tenant, Alma Innit, and her company, Mindvalley Behavioral Health, haven't paid the landlord rent since January. On March 27th, she was once again a no-show for an eviction hearing regarding this property.
You're charging $15,000 a month for an apartment.
No, she houses her clients from the behavioral health.
The judge issued a default judgment in favor of the landlord for $10,000, ordering tenants to leave. This is a profile page showing a photo of Innit and her title as admin of Mindvalley Behavioral Health and her nursing degree. The property owner has told Fox 10 she had no idea her home would be used as an unlicensed sober living home. And how many people would be in that house at any given time?
15. The living room's got people living in the living room. Every room has at least 2 to 3 beds in it.
A former employee of Mindvalley is speaking to us but wants her identity to be concealed, so we'll call her Barbara. And this is not the first time clients have been evicted.
It's heartbreaking to hear the clients talk to their facilitator or me and say, what are we going to do? We don't have any place to go.
Another former employee, who we'll call Mary, wants to remain anonymous. Both worked as behavioral health technicians and haven't been paid until just recently.
We weren't being paid as employees, but they weren't paying for these houses that these clients were staying in either. So as soon as they got their eviction notice or their 5-day pay or quit or whatever, they'd find another place to house them, and then we'd go move the clients.
Do we have anybody from Mindvalley Behavioral Health Center, LLC, on the line?
Here's another eviction judgment against Mindvalley from last November. Alma Innit, a no-show again. Records reveal the company owed $15,000 in rent and late fees. Fox 10 obtained the lease agreement, which states the home needed to be licensed with the state as a behavioral health residential facility. The landlord confirms to Fox 10 that didn't happen. But Mindvalley does have a Phoenix counseling facility licensed by the DHS, located near Greenway and Cave Creek Roads. It's common for behavioral health providers to hire an insurance biller, which leads us to Catherine Lees, who worked briefly with Mindvalley. Lees owns Callaway Behavioral Health Solutions and says Mindvalley put clients on private insurance plans and paid their premiums.
Signing the clients up for Aetna ACA policies. These clients came in on Access, and she was signing them up for insurance policies through Aetna.
Lees tells me she strictly bills commercial insurance, not Access. And Mindvalley is not even an enrolled Medicaid provider, according to these 3 denial letters we obtained from the state. Lees says Mindvalley targeted a specific insurance carrier.
Yes, it was Aetna.
Barbara and Mary also tell Fox 10 that clients at Mindvalley were already on Medicaid plans, yet Mindvalley enrolled them into Aetna and took care of the premiums.
They were paying the premiums for these clients in order to keep them on the commercial insurance to bill, which I don't believe is right.
The premiums are paid, the housing is dangled in front of them, they'll sign anything.
For context, Arizona's healthcare cost containment system, known as Access, issued a consumer notice back in February saying members were being enrolled into Affordable Care Act marketplace plans without permission. Access encourages marketplace members to end their coverage if they already qualify for Medicaid. As for Alma Innit, hi Alma, my name is Justin Lum with Fox 10 News. I'm calling you about Mindvalley Behavioral Health. We could not get an answer. So we went to Mindvalley Behavioral's clinic in North Phoenix, where the state's Department of Health Services confirms an investigation is ongoing. That's Alma right there. She's right there. She was driven away in this car after we tried to contact her multiple times for comment. We've been waiting here for some time, and it looks like she snuck out into the passenger seat of someone else's car as someone else drove off in her vehicle. Former employees say there are more than 30 clients linked to Mindvalley, but it's unknown how many have been impacted due to multiple evictions.
These are people that are early in their recovery and they're trying to stay sober. It's very stressful. The anxiety is really high. They get confused. They get a little scared. So it's not a healthy situation for any of them. It wasn't healthy for us as employees. I mean, it was high stress for us as well.
Tomorrow night, more on the evolution of the sober living scheme. An alleged body broker in the West Valley is being sued by Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oklahoma. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.
In a recent inspection, the State Health Department uncovered several deficiencies at Mindvalley, including a failure to verify and document the staff's skills and knowledge, and also to ensure proper counseling for its patients.